The Encouragement Engineering Podcast, where we combat the negativity that inundates our daily lives with a positive perspective and positive action. Today, I just want to say thank you. Thank you to those who listen, and thank you to those who have been guests on my podcast so far this year. This time of the year is a time of remembrance for the sacrifice of our veterans, and for the time to take a moment and realize the things we have to be thankful for in our lives. I know I'm thankful for my family. We're doing well and we have our health. I'm thankful for what I've learned so far this year. I'm thankful for being more adaptable to what has been going on in our world, to learning and growing. I know this year has not been easy, as we've had to be distant from one another, but I do believe that allows us to appreciate the time we have when we do get together, and it allows us to appreciate that much more. I believe when you're thankful, you understand the value of a gift. As we move forward in our holiday season, remember the value of giving to those that are in need. They may be close, they may be far, but everyone can use prayers, gifts, donations, and help. And I know sometimes it's hard to ask for that help. If you're able, please try to help your neighbors, your local charities, community outreach, religious groups, and food banks. Be thankful to give, and be thankful to receive the joy of helping others. This is Bob Brumm with the Encouragement Engineering Podcast, giving thanks to you, and I hope you have a great day.